Yo, what's up? Just a quick video. I downloaded this program that I'm quite excited about called Hellotalk, and I just heard some of the other more experienced language learners on YouTube talking about it, and just seemed worth looking into, and I really like how it's set up. I think for anybody that's learning the language in this era who's just starting out, this is an awesome tool, no matter what level you are at in a language, in the language you're trying to learn. It's an awesome tool, because it helps make it language learning from being such a, I guess, serious kind of like some like a studious kind of serious. What's the word I'm looking for? Jeez, I can't even express myself in my own language. What's the word I'm looking for? It takes it from being such a like scholastic kind of thing, being such a uptight schoolish thing, I guess is what I'm trying to say. And it kind of brings it down to more like a social media kind of level. It just helps make it more fun and more enjoyable, I guess, the way it's set up. The best way to describe it is like WhatsApp, but for language learners. So how it's set up basically, once you set up your account, you put in your native language, and then you put in your target language and what level you think you're at in your target language, and they will pair you up with people that have the exact opposite, almost the exact opposite. So when you go to search, the people that will show up will be people who are natives in your target language, but are at a beginner phase, or their target language is your native language. And you send messages, whether you could understand the language well or not. You just chat to the person. You send messages in the in your language, and they send messages in their language, even if it's a language that doesn't use Latin characters and uses Cyrillic or Chinese or Arabic or something like that. You could click translate, and it's just a good way to build vocabulary, I guess. And you could also, I believe, click on the message. I haven't tried it yet, but I was fiddling around with it last night. I didn't try this in particular yet, but you can click on it, and it'll tell you what the word, what they typed says in English, and also it'll tell you verbally what that expression sounds like. And it's just a good vocabulary builder, and it's a good way to make friends and keep yourself motivated as well. So uh, what I did last night when I was fiddling around with it, a few people started chats with me. I didn't really find anybody. I just made the account, and I was just browsing through on the search, and before I got to click on anybody, people were sending me messages, and just sending me messages in Russian text. And I understood it, because of course they're just using real basic stuff. And I would, what I didn't understand, I would just translate. And I was feeling bold. I sent a few Russian voice notes and stuff, like, hi, how are you? Yeah, I just got home from work. I'm really tired. Just stuff like, just basic stuff. And just asking them where are they from, how well do they speak English, and how old they are, just basic stuff. And there was a few people was replying to me, like, they were, I guess the people I was speaking to were shy. They were replying to me just in text and not in voice notes. So hopefully I find someone who's not so shy. And I didn't really get any pronunciation feedback. I'm sure my pronunciation wasn't perfect, but maybe they were afraid to be honest. And but I think it was fun for the most part. They understood me, and they replied back in Cyrillic. So it's good to know that they understood what I was saying, even though I know it wasn't perfect. But yeah, it's just a cool program. Like, just check it out. So anyway, you could leave your Skype details down in the comments if you want to get in touch ever and just chat. Even if you just want to talk, if you're into the hobby and stuff and learning languages or whatever, or if you want to practice your English and you're a Russian speaker and you think I might be able to help you, or you could just leave a message and comment, rate, Well, we don't rate anymore, do we, on YouTube? Comment, like, subscribe. Keep in touch and just keep watching over me as I progress. And like always, just thanks for your time and have a good day.